Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best massage chairs that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Giantex Recliner Massage Sofa Chair. This is the epitome of sofa meets massage. At first glance, you probably wouldn't assume that this chair contained many moving parts and motors. It looks like a puffy, everyday lounger found in more old-fashioned style homes. The beige leather adds to this effect. The chair has an undeniable retro feel to it. It's also very impressively priced considering all the functions it embodies. The chair is the storage pouch on the side of the sofa for magazines or cellular devices. At number 2. Faux Leather Electric Massage Chair. This is a great modern spin on the conventional massage lounger chair. Unlike other recliners, this unit features a separate device for the body and for the feet. The footrest is only attached to the body of the chair via a single cable that runs underneath. Somehow it's both wonderfully modern with classic undertones at the same time. Also a reasonably priced device once you take functionality into consideration. The unit is completely wireless and controlled only via a remote control that can be stored in the chair pocket At number 3. Electric Full Body Shiatsu Massage Chair. This is one of the more timeless chairs on the market. It is one of the best massage chair under $1,000 having loads of features. The soft black leather against the polished wooden armrests is a feast for the eyes and a welcome addition to any classy home space. This chair is by another well-trusted brand in the industry. For its impressive range of features it's incredibly reasonably priced. This chair is smart body scan technology, which scans your body to detect your body size for individual custom-fit massage. For just a few $100 you'll have professional-grade shiatsu massages in your home. At number 4. SNAILAX Shiatsu Massage Cushion with Heat. The Snailax is a brilliant device that slides over any existing chair. The user then simply sits down and enjoys the massage experience that the slip has to offer. This chair is a great thing about these devices is their portability. It can be easily carried between the home and office as needed. This seat also features a vibrating function that can be alternated between 3 different intensities. Heating pads are built into the back panel and can be used as desired. To hold the device in place there's an integrated strapping system that works against most forms of seating. The massage style is of the shiatsu technique type. At number 5. Zero Gravity Full Body Kahuna Massage Chair. The chair is a great quality product from trusted brand Kahuna. It has heating therapy ability in the lower back and upper leg areas. The chair operates in variations of shiatsu-style massage for targeted stress management and muscular healing. Although the Kahuna massage chair may be on the pricier side of the market spectrum, its impressive abilities make the price tag justifiable. The body scanning technology will help customize the perfect massage session for you each time. It's a zero-gravity chair and features 3 alternating positions. Footer area has dual foot rollers and detachable and washable footer area cotton for sanitary purpose. This chair is an FDA registered as medical device.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.